Setting up your TalkTalk YouView box is straightforward when you follow these essential connection steps. We'll guide you through each connection to ensure everything works perfectly. First, position your YouView box in a well-ventilated area near your television. Good airflow prevents overheating and ensures reliable performance. Keep it away from heat sources and allow space around the vents. Next, connect your TV aerial cable to the RF in port on the back of your YouView box. This connection provides access to all Freeview channels. Make sure the connection is tight and secure. Now connect an HDMI cable from your YouView box to your television. This provides high-definition video and audio output. Use any available HDMI input on your TV and remember which one you used. For internet connectivity, connect an Ethernet cable from your YouView box to your router for the most stable connection. Alternatively, you can set up Wi-Fi during the configuration process, but Ethernet is recommended for initial setup. Finally, connect the power adapter to your YouView box and plug it into a wall outlet. Press the power button to switch on the device. You should see lights indicating the box is starting up. Before proceeding to configuration, ensure you have a minimum 2 megabits per second broadband connection, though 10 megabits per second or higher is recommended for HD content. Double-check that all connections are secure and your box is powered on. With your YouView box physically connected, we now move to the configuration phase. This process will set up your box with your preferences and TalkTalk account. First, select your preferred language when the setup screen appears. The box will display available language options for you to choose from. Next, configure your internet connection. You can choose between a wired Ethernet connection or Wi-Fi. Ethernet provides the most stable connection, while Wi-Fi offers more flexibility. Enter your postcode to receive local services and regional content. This ensures you get the correct local news, weather, and regional programming for your area. The box will now automatically scan for available channels. This process may take a few minutes as it searches for all digital TV channels in your area. Allow the system to complete any initial software updates. This ensures your box has the latest features and security improvements. Updates may take several minutes to download and install. Now enter your TalkTalk account credentials to activate your TV package. Use the same email and password you use for your TalkTalk broadband account. Set up parental controls if needed to restrict access to age-inappropriate content. You can configure PIN protection and content ratings for different family members. Configure your recording preferences. You can set default recording quality, storage management options, and series recording settings to automatically record your favorite shows. Finally, install any additional streaming apps you desire. Popular options include BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, All4, and My5 for catch-up TV, plus other entertainment apps. Configuration complete. Remember, the setup completion rate is around 85% on the first attempt, with an average setup time of about 45 minutes, including updates. If you encounter issues, double-check your aerial and internet connections and allow ample time for updates to finish.